Hey guys, welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we're talking the ultimate vitamin C serums. Now, vitamin C is a skincare ingredient almost all of us will have in our routine. It's amazing because it's a potent antioxidant to protect the skin. It can fade hyperpigmentation, even out our skin tone for a boost of luminosity and radiance, and if used correctly, vitamin C can even boost levels of collagen for some great anti-aging results. However, with a baffling array of different vitamin C serums on the market, it can be really hard to tell the holy grails from the total fails. And hopefully that's where today's video is going to come in. I want to share with you 5 vitamin C serums that tick every box, deliver for you day in, day out. So sit back, relax, let's talk the ultimate vitamin C serums. Now, before we get into this video, I'd love to know, do you want to see this become a feature, a series here on the channel? Today, we're obviously talking about vitamin C, but if you'd like to see this extended to some of the best skincare products when it comes to other ingredients, let me know and sound off in the comments section below. Give the video a big thumbs up and a like, and this will indicate to me that this is a style of content you like to see, and of course, I will be happy to form it into a series going throughout 2024. Whatever your thoughts, feelings and opinions on vitamin C's and the products I'm going to mention today, I just want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for being with me on this skincare journey over the past 3 years. I wouldn't be here today without the love, kindness and support that you guys show me every single day, and so I think it's worth repeating. Just thank you from the bottom of my heart to each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. Now, when it comes to the ultimate vitamin C serum, I think there are a couple of things we need to look out for. First of all, perfect formulation. Not just that amazing vitamin C dose, but also the ingredients that are used alongside it to maximize the results. I want a fair price point, not necessarily the cheapest serum, but a serum which is priced appropriately for the formulation that you're getting. I want a great user experience, something that feels lightweight on the skin, is a pleasure to apply. We don't want anything that smells like rancid hot dog water or is sticky and tacky hours after that application. We don't have time for that. We want a great user experience. And finally, we want results. I've tried upwards of 50 or 60 different vitamin C serums over my skincare journey, and these ones are the ones that deliver the maximum results for the money that they're asking. And altogether, I think that's what's giving these ultimate vitamin C status. Now, I'm going to go through this video from 5th position through to 1st position, and I've linked all the products mentioned in today's video and various places you can buy them in the description box below, hopefully just making it a little bit easier for you guys. So starting out in 5th place, I'm going to call out the Garnier Vitamin C Night Serum. Now, big disclaimer, night serum. They also do this garbage product. This is the Vitamin C 3.5. This is terrible. It isn't actually 3.5% vitamin C. It's going to do next to nothing for your skin. This is garbage. But the night version uses a 10% concentration of pure form vitamin C alongside some other great brightening ingredients. I don't know why they call it night, because there's nothing in there that implies it has to be used at night. So I'd say forget that and just use this in the morning in your skincare routine for a great budget-friendly, amazing vitamin C serum. This is available internationally, no matter where you happen to be watching this from. And actually, let me know in the comments section. Let me know where you're tuning in from, because I love to see where our Mad About Skin community is coming from. So yeah, drop your country in the comments section below. But no matter where you're from, you'll be able to get Garnier, and this is a great option. That 10% is a nice mid-strength vitamin C that's going to deliver for almost everyone. And I've got some great brightening results from this. So whilst the hype might be on that other garbage 3.5% product, forget that. Go for this night version for a great budget-friendly, easily accessible vitamin C that I think could be a holy grail in so many people's skincare routine. Now, in 4th place, we have this product. This is the Allies of Skin 20% Vitamin C Brightening and Firming Serum. Now, the formulation on here, unparalleled. 10 out of 10, ding, ding, ding. Holy grail. But because of its sky-high price point, that's what brings it down just slightly in this list. I think if it was slightly cheaper, it would obviously be a contender for that first spot. But I appreciate the Allies of Skin price point won't match everyone's budget, and that's fine. The reason why I say this is ultimate, even in spite of that high price point, is that for me, it just delivered the quickest acting vitamin C I've ever used. If you want that glow up within weeks, this is the product to reach for. If you're on a budget, know that any of the other products will give you great long-term luminosity and vibrancy, but you might just have to be in it and have a little bit of patience. This works though in the shortest possible time, and I think it's that combination of vitamin C in a sky-high percentage alongside glutathione and some other great enhancing ingredients that are going to make sure it gets into the skin, gets to where it needs to be in order to deliver those results. This is where a great example of where I think formulation is key. This, compared to another 20% vitamin C, isn't going to give you the same results. The other ingredients are going to make sure this delivers far in excess, which is why I'm happy to declare it the ultimate in vitamin C serums in position 4. It has a really nice texture to it as well. It's in a more dimethicone base, so if you like something that's quite smooth on the skin and almost acts a bit like a vitamin C and a primer in one, that might be a really great option. And whilst it has a sky-high concentration, the other base ingredients mean it's actually quite calming and soothing. So even though you might think I could never use a 20% strength vitamin C on my skin, that one you probably can. A lot less irritation from that product than you would naturally expect to get from a 20% vitamin C, which is why it's definitely in this ultimates list. So in third place, I'm going to call out the Naturium Vitamin C Complex. This I love. The packaging, divine, really easy to use and apply the right amount, which I love. Again, going into that user experience, this is very user-friendly. The formulation is stunning. So one of the main reasons that Allies of Skin one works so well is it combines vitamin C with glutathione, which is one of the best brightening combinations on skincare planet Earth. Well, this Naturium one also has that glutathione alongside that vitamin C, but at a fraction of the cost of the Allies of Skin one. This is budget friendly, it feels so nice on the skin, and the user experience definitely up there. Put this on the skin and it'll sink in within a couple of minutes, and you almost see that brightness start to emerge after roughly 3 to 4 weeks of use. Relatively quick, beautiful formulation, stunning price point, and for me, yeah, ticking an awful lot of boxes. I should have said Naturium cruelty-free, as are all of the products mentioned in today's video. I don't think you can be an ultimate in skincare if you're still testing on animals. It's 2024, people. We need to move past that. And so we're only really celebrating cruelty-free skincare products here on Mad About Skin this year, and Naturium are a great example of that. I love this. Definitely that glutathione as an ingredient in here is what makes this stand out and so special. And yeah, I would recommend it to each and every one of you if you're looking for a nice budget-friendly vitamin C that's going to get you glowing to the gods in no time at all. Now, in second position, and we're so close to that top spot, but is the runner-up, is the Stratia C+C serum. Now, this is special because it combines pure form vitamin C with a vitamin C derivative. Now, those of you that aren't full-on skincare nerds like me probably don't realise there's two different forms of vitamin C. Its pure form ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid gets to work the second it comes in contact with your skin, but can be potentially a little bit more irritating. Vitamin C derivatives you apply and then they need to convert in the skin to that pure form vitamin C to deliver the results. Because of that conversion, you tend to get less irritation, it's less sensitizing. But you also tend to have a little bit more patience because those results take longer to be seen. A lot of people find it baffling, you know, pure form vitamin C derivatives, which do I go for, you know, which is right for me? Well, you kind of don't need to make the decision. With the Stratia C+C serum, you get both forms of vitamin C in one serum. So this for me is something special that you don't see a lot of on the market, and I love that combination. You're going to get the fast-acting ascorbic acid alongside a beautiful vitamin C derivative for some long-term payoff, but minimizing the risk of irritation for this. I think every skin type could use this, no matter what your skin tone or the level of skin sensitivity. This is a great option to reach for, and they've paired it with some nice calming and soothing ingredients that I think further makes it just applicable to everyone. Stratia are one of my favourite skincare brands, and they've gone through a bit of a rebranding recently, and I definitely think their packaging has been elevated to the next level. This is a stunning pump, keeping that pure form vitamin C as fresh as possible and just really easy to use. Yeah, it's budget friendly, its formulation is so well thought through, and for those of you that feel confused about vitamin C versus vitamin C derivatives, don't be. Reach for Stratia and kind of get the best of both worlds. Now, in first place, drum roll please, and it's for this product, the ultimate vitamin C bar none. This is the Geek and Gorgeous C Glow Serum. Now, for those of you that have been with the channel some time, you probably could have guessed this. I've been fangirling relentlessly about this for the past 2 years at least, and for good reason. Sound off in the comments if you kind of knew this was coming. How well do you know me? Did you know this was coming? This is just great. Like I say, I probably tried 50 or 60 vitamin C's in my time, and I keep coming back to this because it truly is the ultimate. Now, if you're using pure form vitamin C, ascorbic or L-ascorbic acid, it's unstable. So if you don't keep it in the right way or you have it too long, it can oxidize. That oxidation just makes it less effective. You really want to be spending your hard-earned coin on products that are at peak efficacy when they arrive on your doorstep. And the problem is, with a lot of brands, you don't know how long their serums have been sitting around on a warehouse shelf. You don't have that problem with Geek and Gorgeous. So this is made fresh every single week. So when this hits your doorstep, you know that the maximum time it's been on hold is 7 days. That's special, and I'd say pretty unheard of in the skincare world. If you want to make sure and guarantee that your vitamin C is fresh and going to deliver from day one, then buy direct from Geek and Gorgeous on their website with this, and know that that batch was made specially for you and it's going to be at peak freshness. This is ultimate to me, when brands don't just churn out products that are exactly the same as what's on the market, but really think, how can we be different? How can we create something that other brands aren't offering? And that's what Geek and Gorgeous have done with this. 15% vitamin C is that sweet spot, mid-strength, working for almost everyone. They've got some additional antioxidants in here to protect the skin, and the formulation is so silky smooth. So the way that this goes on to the skin, look, it's just so lightweight. So if you've tried vitamin C's and they've been a little bit gloopy, a bit sticky, tacky, not with this. Sinks in and it smells of nothing. Some vitamin C's smell a bit like funky hot dog water, which look, I don't mind if it's giving me the results, but it's not for everyone. This, no scent whatsoever. Phenomenal. If you want a truly invisible, lightweight vitamin C that's hot dog water free, this is it. This is it. I can't sing its praises enough. And I think if you just want the best in vitamin C's, look no further. Geek and Gorgeous is where it's at. So let me know your thoughts, feelings, and opinions below. Do you agree with me? Do you want to comment and say, actually, you think there's another product on the market that's even better? Let me know. I love to hear from you guys and your recommendations. Hopefully in this video though, I've been able to demonstrate that when it comes to vitamin C's, there are a lot on the market, but there are a couple that I think just deliver above and beyond, and I want you to take the time to showcase them today. Hopefully this has made your vitamin C journey that a little bit easier, and no matter what your price point, your budget or your skin type is, there's a vitamin C out there for you, and these 5 are what I would class as the ultimates. Wherever in the world you are, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.